Our critical national infrastructure and manufacturing clients are frontrunners in digital adoption. Industry 4.0 and smart factory solutions in manufacturing have significantly transformed the way we do business, be it operational resilience, optimization of resources, predictive maintenance, or informed decision making. This is only possible because of a strong cyber foundation. Cybersecurity plays a pivotal role in ensuring digital values are delivered in a safe and timely manner. Whilst the industries are adopting digital strategies, hackers are finding new ways to target the manufacturing sector. Conventional manufacturing sector attacks focused on process disruption and damage. Ransomware, in the context of manufacturing, brings a new actor to the forefront: financial criminals, testimony to which are attacks like WannaCry and the Colonial Pipeline attack. We help our clients combat this risk on multiple fronts. Firstly, by approaching cyber with a people centric approach. Awareness is key. Secondly, we leverage our expertise and wide network to deliver effective solutions. Finally, we focus on building operational resilience. If you have any questions, need help with your industrial systems, or simply just want to have a chat about cybersecurity, reach out to us.